So Pip saw that it was a huge hall with a long table arranged for a party. But now Pip was observing the spiders and cobwebs, so didn't notice Miss Havisham enter. She was using a walking stick, and to Pip, she looked like a witch out of a fairy tale. So here it's very important to see what did Pip see in the next room. The next room was also very dark. There was a very long table because it was arranged for a party. And Pip saw everywhere there were spiders and cobwebs. Cobwebs are some, we can say, webs which are made by a spider actually, which are made by spiders. And we can see here these all are cobwebs. Everywhere on the table there were cobwebs and spiders also. And suddenly Miss Havisham entered. She was walking with a walking stick and she was looking very horrible. She was looking like a witch actually. Witch is a kind of lady in fairy tales, and the ladies are always villains, and they look very horrible and they have some magical powers. Miss Havisham pointed to a place on the table with the thickest cobweb, said, "That's where I will be laid out on my demise." Demise means death. What do you think of it? Pip answered, "I don't know, ma'am." So Miss Havisham was actually Miss Havisham told that here I want to die. Here I want to lay after my death. And she asked Pip, "What do you think about this?" Then Pip said, "I don't know," because Pip was confused what Miss Havisham is talking. Then she said, "That's my wedding cake." So on the table there was a wedding cake. So we can see that she was wearing a wedding dress also, and the wedding dress had grown very old and rough, and it became yellow, and it looked that she had been wearing this for a long time. So the wedding cake must belong to the long time actually. Means it was very old cake and very stale also. It was not fresh. And leaning on me said, "Walk with me." I did, but very slowly, and round that room Astla came in with some guests. So suddenly in the room there were some guests with Astela.